discuss about how we can make money with applications. There is a lot of good selection of apps that will pay you money, whether you're looking for a side hustle, something to fill your free time with, or a part-time employment isn't very bad. However, even the best paying ones out there aren't likely to make you rich. That being said, they can provide a sizable secondary income. Not every app will suit everyone, but if you're interested, there's sure to be one that gives you what you want. The process is very simple. You simply download the app, create a profile, possibly provide additional information, wait for verification, and then off you go. Apps pay you in several different ways. Some pay with rewards, payment vouchers, gifts, money off, cashback, or coupons. A large number of them pay via PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account. The earning potential of making money with apps depends on the amount of effort you put in. Do you, for example, want to earn some extra bucks when you're lounging around at home or relaxing in the local coffee shop? Are you prepared for to drive around, visit stores, meet people in person, or do manual labor? And if you're looking for an app that pays real money, here's a listing I've got for you. iBota is number one, earning real money online in-store purchases. One of the best of over 1,500 retail chains and brands offer are retailers or product specific, some of which are applied automatically. The products you can buy include entertainment, clothes, pet supplies, groceries, and more. And next we have Rakuten. With this app, you're rewarded with as much as 40% cashback when you make purchase from well-known restaurants, food delivery services, and retailers. To increase your earnings, you can link a debit or credit card and earn cashback when you buy in store instead of online. Next we have Swagbucks. Earn your Swagbucks shopping, playing games, watching videos, and any number of other tasks. You can redeem the points you'll earn for cash into PayPal account. Cointiply. Cointiply is a website. This is a micro-task website where you can sign up and receive free Bitcoins in exchange for various tasks. This might be installing apps, filling in surveys, viewing applications, playing games, or much more. DoorDash is an app. If you've got a bike or vehicle, DoorDash pays you off for delivering food. More than 2,050,000 restaurants located in over 300 cities use this app for providing food to customers. ShipT. This app is similar to DoorDash, but you are paid for delivering groceries in this case. ShopTake. To earn money from this app, you'll need to pick from various tasks that tend to revolve around visiting store and shopping. It's also a mystery shopping app that pays you for visiting stores and checking whether specific products are in stock or not. Mercury. Mercury is a store. If you got lots of stuff you want to sell, it's an online marketplace for new and used items for sale you can use in the US. Poshmark is an app for anyone with clothing to sell. Millions of people visit the platform and listing your items for free. Level of expertise is required. Beginner and intermediate requirements PayPal account for receiving payments. Time of earning is instant. Tuition Aid is an account with one or more money-making apps. Include potential income potentials are $5 to 500 per week. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed.